Hi friends, let me show you this new impact driver kit that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a BIELMEIER driver kit. Okay? You get the user manual, okay? There, all the information that you need to use it. You get the charging port for the battery. It will tell you if it's charging or if it's already charged. You get a full set of nuts and drivers and all kind of screwdrivers here, okay, Phillips and all kinds of them, and some bolts for other kind of accessories. This is the actual unit. As you can see, it's nice, white. You can drive forward or reverse, okay, you change it here. And you get this place to put some extra screwdrivers that you are going to use when you're working in your project. Finally, you get this battery. It's a 20 volts maximum battery, lithium ion, okay? You will charge it like this. Let me show you. So if it's red, means it's charging, okay? When it's green, it's fully charged, okay? That's it, we're ready. This hook, you can put it here, so you will have the ability to put it in your tool belt. Okay, like this. Okay, so you can bring it with you when you are working, when you need it, you'll have it ready. It will stay there, and to get it out, you just do this, and it goes out. Also, okay, you get a light here, so you can see if the ambience is dark. This light will help you to see exactly where you are trying to work, and it'll be easy for you to do it. Okay. You see? Super, super strong. It's tan caliente. Okay? Let's use another one. Let's try it out. Okay. Really strong, really easy to use it, and easy to release the accessory that you're using and to put anything else depending on what kind of project you are working on. Okay, so nice tool. If you need to have also if you need an impact driver, this is a nice one. Nice size, really, really powerful, easy to change the nuts that you're going to use, and easy to carry around with you when you need to use your both hands for something else. Okay, so perfect.